Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code using Canva. So don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. So I'm going to use my Google Chrome browser here, and then we need to go and open Google, and then we need to search for Canva. Open this website, www.canva.com. And now once you're here and logged in with your account on Canva, just go and click on Create a Design, and then choose Custom Size over here. In here you can change the width and the height. I'm gonna make them over here, for example this way, and then I'm gonna click on create new design. You can change these as much as you like, and so you will be directed here to this page. So here you're gonna swipe down and choose apps, and then in the search bar you're gonna search for QR code and pick up this one and click on open. And then here you're going to put the URL or the link. So let's pick up, for example, this one, and then click on generate code. And here you just need to adjust the code, or better say, get it bigger or smaller. And then you go here and click on share and scroll down to download and download your QR code. And that's how to create a QR code using Canva. So please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.